Alright, we test a lot of laptops at Beebom, budget ones, gaming beasts, MacBooks, and even some unreleased stuff. But this right here is the peak Windows laptop of 2026. Yes, I'm talking about the all-new ASUS Expertbook Ultra, and I've been waiting to test this since CES. Why? Because on paper, this just sounds unreal. It has got the best performance, best display, best battery life, best build quality, haptics trackpad, and I can't even call it overpriced. And if you think I'm just overhyping, trust me, I'm not. Just watch this video till the end and you will know exactly why I'm saying that this is the peak Windows laptop. First of all, it comes in this big box and inside you get another box. And once you open the second box, you finally get to see the laptop. You also get a 90-watt Type-C charger, a premium looking sleeve with soft texture inside, and there's even this Ethernet dongle. That's very thoughtful of ASUS. When it comes to the design, the moment I picked this up, my first reaction was literally, oh my god, this is so pretty. It's ridiculously lightweight at just 1 kg and it's also quite thin, but it's not fragile, not at all. In fact, if I put 20 kg weight on this laptop, it won't mind. Oh wow, it's heavy. If I put 20 kg more, I don't think it will have anything to say. ASUS claims that it can handle 50 kg in an ideal world. So let's put 20 kg more and it'll be a total of 60 kg. And I'm thinking that whether we should stop or we should continue going because it's not an ideal world we live in. So 20 kgs more. Oh, now I'm scared. Do we have any more? Oh, 20 kgs more. So overall, it will be 100 kgs. This is my PR on bench press, by the way. But this definitely is a PR for this laptop. Now, I'm not really sure whether this will turn on after I remove all those weights, but let's find out. Whew. So this is the laptop right here. I'm not really sure whether this will turn on. What the? Everything is as good as it is new. The trackpad is working, the screen is fine, there are no dents, no flecks, nothing. Wow, this is really strong. And if you think that this situation is completely hypothetical, it's gimmicks, try living with kids. Actually, ASUS is using a special aerospace grade magnesium alloy here which makes it lightweight but really strong. And with this ceramic coating on top, it actually feels like you're touching a very smooth tile. I also like the fact that even though it's a business laptop, it doesn't look like one. It's not too flashy, not too boring. It's actually quite minimal with some really good color options. And the one that we have with us is the Mon Grey color. If I talk about the ports, you get plenty of them. There are 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, one on each side, one HDMI 2.1 to plug in secondary display, 2 fast USB-A ports, and there's also a 3.5mm headphone jack. And if you look closely, you'll notice how precisely these ports were cut out because it's not easy to do that on a laptop this thin. But still, ASUS did it. Nice. It also opens easily with one finger, and when you turn it on, you are greeted with these lights at the bottom, and on the front, you are welcomed by the best thing about this laptop, the display. Again, I'm not exaggerating. This is by far the best laptop display ever. It's a 14-inch tandem OLED panel with 3K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. If you're like, I know OLED, but what's this tandem OLED? Well, take a seat. See, basic OLED displays have only one layer of OLEDs, but tandem OLED will have 2 layers. This results in better battery use, much better brightness, better multimedia experience, and less burn-in risk. Because now that there are 2 layers, the OLED panel will also last much longer. Theory done, let's talk practicality. First of all, it's very color accurate as the delta E is less than 1. So if you're doing some photo editing work, you can confidently say that it's accurate. It also gets as bright as 1000 nits in SDR and 1400 nits in HDR. So no problems in visibility indoors, outdoors, everywhere. And unlike some phone displays, the PWM rate is 960 Hz. So even when I was using it at night, I had no eye strain at all. Plus there's Gorilla Glass Victus with matte coating, so yeah, it can handle some knocks. And since it's a touch display with matte coating, touching it feels as if you're touching an actual paper. It goes all the way to 150 degrees and you want to take it to 180 degrees, but don't because it will be a one-time affair. The display also supports VRR, which means it can change the refresh rate depending on what's playing on the screen. So if a game demands 120Hz, it'll refresh at 120Hz, and if it's idle, it'll come down to 30Hz to save the battery, just like smartphones. Let me tell you a bit about the speakers because this laptop has the best set of speakers. speakers. There are 6 speakers in total with 4 woofers on the bottom and 2 front-firing tweeters. There's also Cirrus Logic DAC and amp to improve audio quality, and honestly, ASUS has just nailed it. The speakers get very loud, even louder than a MacBook Pro, and the audio doesn't crackle even at max volume. Just listen to this. See, all I can say, if you love watching movies, this laptop can potentially replace your TV because the picture quality and the audio is just excellent. And if you like to get some work done, the trackpad and keyboard are also amazing. The trackpad is an edge-to-edge haptic glass trackpad, just like MacBooks. So when you click it, you too feel the haptics, but there's actually nothing moving on the trackpad. And the feedback that you get when you swipe on the left or on the right to adjust volume or brightness, it's just addictive. The keyboard has a 60% layout with white backlit, and even though the laptop is so thin, there's pretty good key travel. And the best part, the entire keyboard is spill resistant, so if you accidentally drop some coffee, your drinks, your tea, or maybe your cold drinks, your protein shake, it won't end your relationship with the laptop. Send. There's also a fingerprint scanner on the power button, and you also get face unlock, and the volume and mic keys have an LED indicator, so you are aware in the meetings. Now let's talk about performance, because I'm sure you're waiting for it. The ASUS Expertbook Ultra comes with the latest Panther Lake processor. The model we have with us comes with Intel Core Ultra X7 358H with 16 CPU cores with a clock speed of up to 4.8 GHz. There's also Arc B390 GPU with 50 TOPS NPU. And even though there's shortage going on, this laptop comes with a freaking 64 GB of RAM and 2 TB of PCIe Gen 5 SSD. Specs are totally impressive, but how fast is it? So just like every laptop, I started my testing with the games. I know, there's no dedicated GPU, it's a business laptop, but you know what? Gaming is a serious business, so I had to test it. First up, I played Cyberpunk. It was playing smoothly at 60 to 70 FPS at 1080p and ray tracing low settings. The game looks very good on this display, and even if I take it to 3K resolution, it is still above 40 FPS, which is just crazy. I also enabled XeSS, which made the game a bit more smoother. Black Myth Wukong is also playable at around 60 FPS in native resolution and high settings, and even the recent Resident Evil Requiem is playing very smoothly. I was honestly surprised that Arc B390 could handle these AAA games so smoothly. And finally, to test the CPU, I played Valorant at max graphics and 3K resolution, and surprisingly, I got more than 200 FPS, which is just fantabulous for a thin and light laptop. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to report that this thin and light business laptop can also game, and that too without RGB. What a world we live in. And if you're wondering about cooling, ASUS has thought of that as well. I don't really know how, but there are 2 fans inside with a huge heatsink, so even at 50 watts TDP, the keyboard area doesn't get hot, and the fan noise is also not that much. And for the benchmarks, these are the scores in Cinebench R26 and Geekbench CPU. You can clearly see the upgrades from last time in CPU test, but the major upgrade is there in GPU benchmarks, as it scores twice as much as last year's chip. And since this comes with a Gen 5 SSD, the Crystal Disk Mark score is also very good. In daily usage as well, it's very smooth to use. I had no problems holding a ton of Chrome tabs. I was also multitasking like crazy. I wrote a lot of scripts, watched a lot of videos, even ran some local LLM models, and even used Claude Dispatch a lot to remotely control my PC from my phone. And even with all of that, the laptop did not even drop a sweat. And when I was roaming around the office as I usually do, the Wi-Fi never disconnected, as it has an Intel Wi-Fi 7 chip. And if you're wondering about the Bluetooth connection, it's also the latest Bluetooth 6.0. The Expertbook Ultra comes with Windows 11 Pro out of the box, and there are some useful AI features too. If you record your meetings, you can prepare minutes of meeting in just seconds, and you can also add watermarks to your webcam or your screen while sharing some confidential stuff in meetings. One more thing that's crazy good about this laptop is the battery life. In my usage with a lot of researching, writing scripts, running Claude locally, watching movies, and also taking some meeting calls, it easily lasted me 14 plus hours. We also ran a battery test in comparison with 14-inch MacBook Pro and the newly launched Galaxy Book 6 Pro with Panther Lake processors. We streamed a 4K video on YouTube at 100% volume and brightness on all 3 laptops, and the Expertbook Ultra took the lead by lasting 1 more hour than the Galaxy Book. Nice! And when you want to charge it, it takes less than 90 minutes from 1 to 100%, which is just really fast. So yeah, that's everything about the ASUS Expertbook Ultra. It starts at 1,49,990, and here are all the variants and pricing. And for the price, you get the best Windows laptop ever made. It has the best display, best loudspeakers, a premium lightweight design with great strength, haptic trackpad, all the ports that you need, solid performance, and a great battery life. There's absolutely no con I can think of. It's that good. And oh, I almost forgot. Since this is a business laptop, it comes with 3 years of warranty including the battery, and you also get 1 year of local accidental damage protection. And when you buy this laptop, you will also be assigned a personal relationship manager so that you get priority service always. I don't think any other laptop company offers that. So yeah, that's it for this video. Now I want to know from you guys, what do you think about this laptop? Tell me in the comments, and if you guys have any questions about the laptop, feel free to ask us in the comments and we'll answer them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.